Hi, I want you to imagine the day you will no longer be begging for money to fund your real estate deals. Well, my name's Alan Cowgill, and the Chicago Creative Investors Association has asked me up to do a live event on a Saturday, December 14th, and as you can see from that arrow, I've saved your spot, and I want you to come. I want to talk to you about the benefits of getting private money from private individuals, and it is awesome. You can have unlimited funds. You cannot tap into all the money that's out there for you just to fund your real estate deals. Speed to buy. You can buy a property within a week if you know how to do it. And then cash flow. I always borrow extra. I call it contingency money. Contingency if I'm going to have an issue. If I don't have an issue, I can use the money for anything I want. And then no monthly payments. I will teach you how to do that when you're doing deals. That'll blow you away. In fact, that is the one reason enough just to show up. And you get to make the rules. That's another reason. I love that part of it. There are no credit checks from private lenders. It saves you money. You make more money. It's flexible. For an example, you folks out there that are landlords have rents coming in. You know, tenants pay late. Well, I pay my private lenders on the 15th. Gives me a 2-week gap to get the money in, so I'm not digging into my pocket to cover that money. And you do deals you couldn't do any other way. You get some of your profit when you buy. Just think about that. It's cheaper than having a partner. I've had 2 partners, and started out it's kind of like cute little puppies, and they both grew into ugly dogs. I'll tell you, you know. And you can fund the purchase of defaulted paper, another stream of income. And you could also become a hard money lender if you so desire. If you get so much money you can't spend it all, you could do that. Well, here it is, Saturday, December 14th. It's from 9 to 3. I'd get there at 8:30 so you can register and settle down and get started on this. I'm going to bribe you on something I shouldn't have to bribe you on. In fact, you ought to walk across broken glass to get to this event. But I'm going to give you my brand new book, The Secret $1 Million Technique to Getting Private Money from Folks That You Know. You're going to love the book. It is a no-nonsense, very, very good book. Well, how do you sign up? Well, just go to CCIA-info.com. I'll tell you more about that in the next 2 slides. You find the events arrow. You click on Cowgill WS. WS stands for workshop. And you'll see it on the next slide here. This is the website for your RIA, the Chicago Creative Investors Association. You see this events tab up here, right here. Then in the red arrow, you see Cowgill WS. Click on that and you'll get this page. And they got a cool little video out there for you to watch. But more importantly, I want you to sign up when you're out there. Here's where it is. It's NIU Naperville Campus. And there is the login, CCIA-info.com. Sign up right now. Mark it on your calendar. Sign up right now. Be there December 14th. And you will you will learn a ton of information that you don't know, guaranteed. Well, to your wealth.